that gave the world Mahatma Gandhi. There is also the same country which gave somebody called Gautam Buddha. This is the same country that was the land of Lord Mahavira. This is the same country that gave the world Bollywood. And it's the same country in the world that has the third largest economy of the world. And forget that, was the most important point. This is the same country in the world that has the largest youth population in the world. And this is what that country is called. Do you like the country that you stay in? Yes. Do you like India? Yes. Fantastic. If you do, will you walk on the 10th of April with us, and will you say that you want a permanent seat in the Security Council? Yes. I can't hear you. Yes. God damn it, I can't yet hear you. Yes. Fantastic. And when I hear this, I'll tell you something, and this is what the Chief Minister said in Nagpur. He said, it's not going to be me who's going to get this seat in the Security Council. It is that one individual who's going to get the seat in the Security Council. He didn't point to me, and today I point to that same person. It is each and every one of you that is going to get the seat in the Security Council. So, thank you very much. And if you believe in this, I want you to spend 15 minutes per day on this cause. Can you spend 15 minutes per day on this cause? Yes. 1, 5, that's it. Can you devote 15 minutes to improve and change India? Yes. Your task for the day, and this has never happened in IMON before. I'm going to call out 6 people who are responsible for being the faces of IMON. They are nothing more than the faces of IMON. The real people who work are the people who are standing in these aisles. So before I call those 6 out to you, give a huge round of applause to the people who are standing in the aisles. And can I get the 6 faces of IMON up along with their contact numbers up as well? We start with the Deputy President of IMON, Hardik Jain. Please come up, Hardik. This guy somehow has managed to tolerate me for 7 years. I don't know how he's magically managed to do that. Not kidding, yeah? His name is Vidai Bhatia. He's shortly a friend of mine. Vidai, somebody who's led, you see all those fancy chapters, all these different cities that are happening in India, all these different cities that we go to. Imagine doing the march in all those 108 cities of India, and that's what's happening. It's not happening in one city, it's going to happen in 108 cities. And how cool would the person be who leads those 108 cities and the marches in those 108 cities? Don't you want to meet that person? Name is Aman Balia, Senior Vice President of IMON. Somebody who handles the operation in 14 countries. She's a 19-year-old girl who's studying engineering. So she's just like 3 years elder to you. That's about it. If you're 16. Her name is Kashmi Reddy. Can I please have Kashmi Reddy? Somebody who's tall, somebody who's worked at Mahindra. Now think about it, she was a personal secretary to Anand Mahindra. Anand Mahindra is a pretty cool guy. Yeah, one of the richest people in the country. And she left her job because she wanted to do something for the country. And she's worked with me before, and now she's working with me again. Niyati Khanna, can I please have you up? And there is somebody who's responsible for getting those permissions, who's responsible for organizing this entire march. And the person who organizes the entire march, along with all these people who are standing in the aisle, the person who is responsible for this march, I couldn't do it without him. Priyanka Sami. Why do I call these people and why do I make you clap to these people so the next time something wrong happens, you can take out your shoe and throw it at these people? And you know what's bad? There are 6 numbers up on the screen. These 6 numbers, and nobody would even dare do this in any organization in the world, where the top 6 who are responsible for the organization being the faces, their numbers are out there. So, why are these numbers out there? I'll tell you what. Remember you agreed to help me for 15 minutes? Did you agree to help me for 15 minutes? Yes! Will you help me for 15 minutes? Yes! Okay. If you do really want to help me for 15 minutes per day, you have 6 numbers to choose from. Whichever looks the prettier face. Please send them a message saying, "Hi, my name is so and so, and I want to help you." Help is all we ask, because it's you and me together, and that's about it. There is nobody else who's helping us. It's you are the guys who are going to make it happen. And these are the guys whom you need to get in touch with. So are you going to get in touch with Priyank? Niyati? Kashmiri? Bhatia? Yeah. Very good. Are you going to get in touch with Hriday? Fantastic. And Hardik? And I'll tell you what's better, what's even better, you get in touch with me as well. And I'll tell you how to get in touch with me. I will put my number out there as well. And when you want to give me a suggestion, please write to me directly and tell me this is what needs to be done, not in one city, but 108 cities and 14 countries across the globe. And we will make it happen. Before we let you go, and I know that you really want to go, like the people out there are standing like, let's leave. And before I let you go, there are 2 things that I want you to do. One is a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper that was given to you. That piece of paper had something called I for India, IINUN. Fantastic. I'll set it up. I want you to do this small little thing for me. I'm going to ask you to move up just a little bit. I want you to stand up and help me say something together. Can we do that as a nation? For our nation. All I need you to do is put your right hand out. Just put your right hand out. I'm not asking you to say, "Hey Hitler." I'm asking you to read that piece of paper, word after word with me. I am a young Indian. I am not a politician. Nor an army personnel. But I am as patriotic. As a soldier or anyone in public service. It is time for a second independence movement. But this time on the world stage. Therefore, I solemnly pledge to demand what is rightfully ours. India's permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council. Come the 10th day of this April, I will stand in solidarity and support India. I will support India to become a superpower. The question remains, will you? Before you go, just sit down 1 minute. Before you go, just sit down 1 minute.
an account on Facebook.